What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on another Florida review. Today I'm going to be going over my Sinkerator 3/4 horse garbage disposal. Recently I installed it about a week and a half ago. I've been using this item and I wanted to share my thoughts and give you some examples on how quiet it is, because I am amazed just how quiet it is. I couldn't believe it. I was skeptical in this store, but very happy with the item. This is the XP Space Saver model. There's that, and I'll give you a quick view inside here underneath my cabinet. There it is. But yeah, like I said, very happy with the item. Cannot beat it for the price. So let me give you a quick example. This is going to be with the water running only. Okay, that was just with the water running. It's very quiet. It doesn't sound like a wood chipper's coming on. Awesome. Okay, this is going to be water and some ice. Alright, still pretty quiet with ice. I'm going to do an egg next. Alright, and last is the lemon. So yeah, there you go. It's quiet. You know, you don't have a wood chipper coming on in your kitchen. Also, the nice thing, and the reason I chose this model here, because it also has two-stage grinding. It's gonna, of course, grind everything a lot finer. You're gonna get less clogs. So yeah. Oh, and also one more feature that caught my eye is the auto reverse. So if something gets stuck in there, it will automatically go into reverse mode. You don't have to stick any knives, any sticks. You know, you don't have to try to get it freed up. It has an auto reverse on it, does it automatically. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Ran me about, believe it was $2.19 at Lowe's. Now I'm in Florida. If you're in different states, it may run different prices. But for the money and for the power it has and the features it has and the insulated body to make it quiet, it's definitely a thumbs up. Very happy with the item. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Bye.